Well, AdventHealth is sounding the alarm tonight amid the troubling amount of coronavirus cases growing in Central Florida.
The large number of new cases is putting pressure on the hospital system, forcing it to go into a code red status. News 6's Nadine Yanis joins us now live from AdventHealth. So Nadine, what kind of patients are they seeing?
Well, not only are they seeing an increase of patients with severe COVID, Ginger, but they're also seeing patients skewing younger. And for some reason in this surge, they're seeing an increase of pregnant women being admitted into the ICU here. And doctors say of all the people getting admitted here, most all of them were unvaccinated.
Right before he was about to be intubated, I wish I had received the vaccine.
Doctors at AdventHealth say they're hearing more patients in the hospital express regret about not getting the COVID-19 vaccine.
There is even people asking, can you give me the vaccine now? And unfortunately, we know that then at that point it's too late.
Hospitalizations putting pressure back on AdventHealth, postponing non-urgent medical care today, officially on red status, seeing increases of admissions in their hospitals all across Central Florida, with 946 COVID-19 patients in the hospital, exceeding their peak of 900 patients in January. Dr. Victor Herrera adding 94% of the patients hospitalized are unvaccinated.
I'm not sure it's clear to everybody that if you get the vaccine, almost zero chance of getting very sick from COVID-19 or ending in the hospital. If you don't get the vaccine, you have around 20 to 40% chance, depending on comorbidities, of ending in the hospital, getting very sick, and even potentially dying.
Now, Dr. Herrera says the patients are skewing younger. The youngest death this week, just 27 years old.
We have seen people with absolutely no comorbidities that are getting very sick.
And something new with this surge?
We currently have pregnant women intubated in our ICUs.
An increase in pregnant women severely sick with COVID-19.
All unvaccinated that are hospitalized, and several of them are very sick. We have concerns, and we were discussing whether this may be related to the Delta variant. We don't know that yet, but we feel really obliged to share this with the community.
You know, and the message for those pregnant women and really anyone who's still unvaccinated tonight is talk to your doctor if you have any concerns. And they encourage you to get vaccinated if you want to speak to your doctor about that, especially if you are pregnant, as they're seeing those cases increases. But with this increase, what else can county health leaders do? Mayor Jerry Deming says his hands are tied, but guys, they're exploring his options at the county level. We're going to talk more about what could be the next steps to stopping the spread in my story at 6 o'clock. Until then, we're live outside of AdventHealth. Nadine Yanis getting Results News 6.
Okay, Nadine, thank you. Orange County Mayor Jerry Deming said the county is in crisis mode. He said that after saying over the weekend the county added hundreds of new cases. More than 1,000 cases were added on Friday alone, 960 on Saturday. The county's 14-day positivity rate now close to 14%. 1 month ago, it was just over 4%. Of those hospitalized, 94% of the patients, we're told, are unvaccinated.